What is ChatGPT? OpenAI, an artificial intelligence company, recently introduced ChatGPT, a revolutionary artificial intelligence tool. An interactive chatbot called ChatGPT that can fulfill various tasks for a user. From answering questions conversationally to writing a complete human-like text such as articles and even dissertations. ChatGPT is based on GPT-3, a natural language prediction model. And it is a groundbreaking technology, because it is trained to predict what a human means when they ask a question. Since its release, ChatGPT has been breaking records, with 1 million users signed up in just one day, faster than it took Netflix, Facebook, and even Instagram to reach the same number of users. You don't need to use Google to answer questions anymore, since ChatGPT can even generate a response to a user prompt within seconds, without a user having to spend hours scrolling to find the answer. This already makes people question how relevant Google will be in the future. What makes ChatGPT so powerful? ChatGPT is a large language model. Large language models, LLMs, are trained with massive amounts of data to predict the next word in a sentence accurately and the next sentences on a mind-blowing scale. But LLMs are limited, since they don't always understand exactly what a human wants. And this is where the state-of-the-art of ChatGPT comes, the additional reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, training it is based on. As already said, the company behind ChatGPT is OpenAI. They have been working on some very interesting artificial intelligence technologies, such as the engine behind the GitHub Copilot, and DAL 2, a popular AI art generator. ChatGPT prompts an AI to answer a question in a human-like manner. The AI can recognize patterns and is based on a language model. It can also generate text, words, a whole conversation, and even code samples. But it also raises ethical concerns, as this is something we have never seen before in the past in terms of technology and AI tools. For example, Stack Overflow has banned users from providing answers generated from ChatGPT to be published on its site. How was ChatGPT trained? To train ChatGPT, it took basically scraping the whole internet. It was trained by using tons and tons of information from all over the internet, but the key to its human-like conversation skills was actual human feedback. And that is why the RLHF approach is so revolutionary, since LLMs only predict the next word and/or sentence, whereas RLHF actually predicts how a human would react and continue a conversation. This algorithm not only predicts what a human would say next, but also what a human would prefer. You can find details from the training process in the official OpenAI announcement. Are there any limitations to ChatGPT? ChatGPT is designed not to provide any toxic or harmful answers. Also, another thing to note is that the quality of the answers depends entirely on the quality of the questions or directions given as input. Another limitation is that not all answers from ChatGPT are actually correct. In fact, while playing with the AI artificial intelligence, users have found that some answers are widely incorrect. And that is due to the fact that the chatbot is trained to provide answers that feel right to a human, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they are indeed right. This limitation was actually noticed by Stack Overflow's team of administrators that was fled by incorrect answers from users that generated them using ChatGPT, hence the ban I already mentioned. OpenAI addressed this limitation, admitting that the AI tool writes plausible-sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers, and that fixing this is challenging due to various factors. One of which is that during RL training, there's currently no source of truth. What people think about ChatGPT's ability. The developers community is already buzzing about the chatbot, and the user feedback is basically unanimous. Everyone is amazed and worried at the same time. Elon Musk, one of the original founders of OpenAI, didn't miss commenting on this sensation. The visionary has just been alarmed by the fact that ChatGPT refuses to answer questions on very specific subjects, in particular, relating to the environment. Alex Epstein, a philosopher and energy expert, wrote on Twitter that ChatGPT used to generate arguments for fossil fuels. According to a screenshot shared by Epstein on the 24th of December, anyone now trying to use ChatGPT to promote fossil fuels will get a message saying, "I'm sorry, But I cannot fulfill this request as it goes against my programming to generate content that promotes the use of fossil fuels. And Musk's response was not delayed. There is great danger in training an AI to lie. The most impressive thing, according to AI experts, is the fact that ChatGPT provides its answers both quickly and without any access to the internet. Is ChatGPT free? ChatGPT is still in the research phase, and it is still free to use while this phase is finalized. OpenAI has recently introduced a premium plan for users who require uninterrupted access. This plan offers dedicated server resources and priority access to the AI tool. You may have heard that the chatbot can say it is at capacity. While the free version of ChatGPT is still available, users should be aware that there may be periods of downtime due to high traffic volume, which can cause delays in the prompt response time. With the premium plan, users can enjoy additional features such as longer prompt lengths, faster response times, and more customization options. Regardless of which option you choose, ChatGPT remains a powerful tool for generating creative and engaging content. However, don't forget that the idea of this learning phase is for users to try the tool and actually provide feedback so it can be improved, and the AI can become better at providing human-like answers. Interested in learning more about ChatGPT and different use case scenarios? Stay tuned, as we have a whole series coming up. Want to learn how small businesses can benefit from using ChatGPT? Click on this link.